Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to get your own snaps, stories or whatever you want back on Snapchat. And I found a way how to do this. Alright, first go to your profile, tap right in the top on settings. From here scroll down to my data at privacy controls. Then when you arrived here, tap everything that you want to receive from Snapchat. That's important because only that is the way that you will receive the data in your mail. Then tap on next. Submit all the data that you want to receive. So I want it from last week, but you can do it all time, 2 years, whatever you prefer. Then do submit. And then your data will be sent to your email. Then in your email, you can open your data and then you can find all the snaps, all the chats, everything you want just in that mail. Alright, if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give it a like. And thanks for watching.